Ma, my fruit is ready. Ma! Yes? Your fruit is ready. I'm coming. Okay, all right, ma. Thank you.
Hey. Oh, this girl knows exactly what I needed. Where is my son? Victor! Sit down now. Where have you been? I've been calling you.
Was busy. When are you going to give us a baby girl?
Very soon. Okay? Very soon. Mommy. I don't know why your dad has refused to come back. How are you now?
Fine.
I hope you've eaten today.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. I don't even know. What would you like to have for dinner?
Anything.
And I know rice is your favorite.
Yes.
You want fried rice and chicken, right?
Yes.
Wow. We're going to supermarket tomorrow to go and get that toy for you, okay?
Thank you.
Eat up, bro. I want to go inside.
Madam. Where? Ma, are you okay? Like you are fine. You are not feeling anyhow. You're not feeling somehow. You are fine. Victor, are you okay? Talk now. Are you okay?
What is it?
Nothing, ma. Nothing. I just want to know if you are fine. Are you sure you are fine?
Do I look like I'm not okay? Why are you asking me and my son if we are okay?
I'm sorry, ma.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Purity,
Yes.
what is wrong with you?
I'm fine, ma. Don't worry. I'm okay.
You started again, this girl. What is it?
I'm fine, ma. I'm sorry.
Are you okay? Why is she asking us if we are okay? I don't understand.
Madam, I'm sorry. You don't be offended. Are you sure are you very sure you are fine? Like you're not feeling somehow. You're just Victor. Are you fine?
Purity, are you mad?
No.
Where is all these questions coming from? Which one is are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Are you not mad? Are you stupid?
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
What did you take this afternoon?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
I just want to know if you are fine. You are fine.
Hey.
You are.
When did you become a doctor?
No, nothing. Sorry, ma. You are sure.
Sorry for your stupid. It's you that is not okay.
Sorry.
I'm sure you are not okay. Oh, look at this girl. Which one is am I okay? Are you okay?
Sorry, I'm sorry, ma.
I see you don't have anything to do in this house again.
I'm sorry.
You are less busy.
No.
You don't have anything doing
I'm sorry,
again.
ma. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Can you imagine? Daddy!
How are you?
Fine, welcome.
Hope you are taking good care of mom.
Yes.
Baby.
Honey.
Yeah, how are you people?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Wow, you look so sweet today.
The baby
And where is Purity?
Honey, you're welcome.
I'm fine. Purity!
She should be somewhere inside.
Purity! There was a long queue at the bank.
But did you let her...
Yeah, I succeeded.
Welcome, sir.
Oh, Purity, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Welcome, sir.
Okay, yeah. So, honey, this is the money, okay? I was able to withdraw some dollar from my domiciliary account.
Okay.
So I hope this amount can set Purity up, you know, start up a good business for her. Then, you know, probably get a very good apartment, you know, because she have served us diligently.
Obviously.
And she deserves the best.
Yeah, she does.
Hope you're okay.
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I don't know what was wrong with Purity. I don't know.
So this is the money, you can give it to her.
Purity, I hope you're okay.
Okay, ma.
Mom, don't give her this money.
Why?
Victor, what is it again?
Mom, don't give her this money.
Why?
Why?
Purity has been living with us for the past how many years
Exactly,
now?
son.
And she has been the one taking care of you right from when you were just a kid. So why would you tell me not to give her money? Why? Did she do anything to you?
What happened, son?
Victor, what happened now? What did I do?
Huh?
What's the problem?
Mom, don't give her this money.
Why?
Ma! Yes? Your fruit is ready.
I'm coming.
Okay, all right, ma.
Thank you.
Jesus! Eh? What? You tried to poison my wife?
Hey!
How are you?
So you are okay? Are you guys okay? Eh?
I'm sorry, sir.
Purity!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, sir.
What have we done to you?
Sir, you've not done anything.
Eh?
I've always had my eyes on you.
Hey! You've had your eyes on me?
Yes, sir. I love you so much.
I will slap you.
Jesus! Jesus!
You see what I've been telling you?
You had your eyes on my husband! How, Purity? How?
See what will happen, eh? You are not even going to pack your things. From here, you are going back to that ghetto we picked you up
Hey,
from.
sir.
No.
I don't have anywhere to go.
And my wife was even planning all these good things for you. The only thing you could pay her back was to poison.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't have anywhere to go. Sir, please send me out.
Be going. Stand up.
Please, sir.
Be going. Go.
Please, sir. Please.
Babe, hope you're okay.
To go. It's like I'm in labor.
Leave this house. Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. I know you like it. Guys, like, share, comment, drop your opinion on the comment section, and always watch and share to your families. Thank you. I love you all.